Hey you! Are you looking for a delicious and healthy taco recipe? Then you have to try these turkey tacos. First, let's start with making our taco filling. Take a medium to large carrot to both shave and grate. Now, we're going to take some lettuce and slice into ribbons, just like a chiffonade cut. Next, let's handle our black beans by draining and rinsing them to get rid of any excess sodium. The water they come in has a large amount of sodium to extend their shelf life, and by washing them, we can actually get rid of up to 40% of that additional sodium. After that, we're going to take some non-stick oil spray and coat our pan in it. We will put our pan over medium to high heat to allow it to get up to temperature before adding our ground up turkey. While the pan is heating up, use the time to cut up a bell pepper, a jalapeno, an onion, and a couple of cloves of garlic. Once our turkey is starting to brown, add the garlic a minute or two before adding the jalapeno, carrot, onion, bell peppers, and black beans to the pan. Now, add some salt, pepper, and smoked paprika, and make sure to stir your ingredients so everything cooks evenly. After about 20 minutes since adding the turkey, it should be ready. The last thing that we need to do before we start dishing is make our crema. In a different pan, saute a jalapeno, a quarter of an onion, 2 small cloves of garlic, and some cilantro. Cook them for about 2 or 3 minutes before adding them to a blender with a cup of Greek yogurt and blend until it's smooth. Next, let's put it all together. Take a corn or flour tortilla and add some of the crema before topping it with your lettuce and taco filling. Sprinkle some cheese and more crema if you'd like, and serve. The dish is packed with protein and vitamins like vitamin B, vitamin A, and C. Give this dish a try and let us know what you think.